G'day everybody, Daz here from my Aussie Gardening Kitchen, and I am super excited to let you all know and show you that I have the great honour and privilege of being included in this wonderful book by Kelli, Grown with Love, Inspiring Garden Stories. It's been put together by Kelli Pease, and she has gone around the world and asked people to contribute, 50 people from around the world actually, and I can't believe I'm one of them. It's incredible. And I don't want to tell you everything that I put into the book, but I have one page for myself, and I've basically talked about the relation I have with my mental health and the garden and how it can benefit other people. As if you haven't seen my channel before and you're new here, although I am a cooking and gardening channel and I use my skills as an ex-chef and a person that's grown food for 30 years on my channel, I have used live streams and videos at times to really speak to people with mental health issues about how they can use the garden to occupy their mind with good things and to keep them busy, keep their hands busy, and just to get positive thoughts and feelings from their garden, no matter how big or small their garden is. Now, the book is absolutely fantastic. There's so many inspiring stories, people's personal experiences and thoughts, and it really is like, I'm not saying this because I'm in it and I'm encouraging you to go get it because I'm in it, but seriously, it is very well put together. And oh my gosh, it's such a good read. I just can't tell you enough that if you want to feel good after reading something and looking at some beautiful pictures too, by the way, there's quite a few photos in here. This is a book you really must look into. It is absolutely awesome. So here's my contribution. This page here, accompanied with a photo of my cherries from last season. And I'm holding my hand over the page like this because I really want to encourage you to go and get the book for yourself and have a read for yourself rather than cheat and read off the screen. It's going to help Kelli out, and I really do think that a lot of people will benefit from the inspiration that this book gives. So if you can, do check it out. As you can see here, the book has a lot of chapters on important topics, and the 50 people involved have given their experiences and their thoughts on these topics, and I encourage you to check those out. And it's not a medical book, it's not a medical journal or medical advice. It's all of our personal experiences and opinions, and I do hope you enjoy that. I really should read to you what's on the back of the book, so here goes. Grown with Love, Inspiring Garden Stories in a celebration of the transformative power of gardening. Featuring stories from over 50 gardeners around the world, this book reveals how gardens can be so much more than beautiful spaces. They are sanctuaries of healing, purpose, sharing, and connection. Each chapter invites readers into deeply personal narratives, showcasing how gardening can heal the body and the mind, foster community bonds, honor cherished memories, and reconnect us with the earth. From sharing homegrown food and flowers to creating peaceful garden retreats to gardening in the community with others, these stories illustrate the profound ways gardening can transform lives. With practical tips and plant recommendations woven throughout, Grown with Love empowers readers to craft their own meaningful garden, one that reflects their personal journey, serves the earth and their community, and nurtures their spirit. Whether you're tending a small balcony garden, a few acres, or have yet to plant a seed, this book will inspire you to dig deeper, plant with intention, and grow a space filled with love and purpose. So there you go. This book is such a positive experience, and I cannot tell you what it feels like to be involved in such a wonderful project. And Kelli, I can't thank you enough. It means so much to me, and this is an absolute highlight of mine. Wow, I don't know what else to say, but thank you, Kelli. I'm not famous, and I never will be famous, but what I really am happy about with my personal YouTube channel is that I have been able to reach people and connect with people and give that message about the positivity of gardening and cooking, but a lot of gardening, the positivity of the garden and dealing with mental illness. And now I'm a part of this book here, which is just wonderful and sends a great message to everyone. So as always, I really hope that not only my channel, but this book here is going to help somebody out there move on to better things in their life and really enjoy their garden. I'd also like to thank Kelli for her patience too, because I do put things off and I do struggle, and hopefully I didn't make Kelli wait too long for certain things. And as you can see, it's all done and dusted. It's now ready for pre-sale as of me speaking at the moment. I believe it's actually going to be available in September 2025, if you're watching this at any particular date and are wondering when I'm talking about. But it is up for pre-sale, and I will leave links in the description to Kelli's website, to Kelli's blog, her Instagram. She's got her website, The Flower Remedy. Now, Kelli actually has a non-profit going, and that's called the 1 Million Flowers Foundation. And that's dedicated to gifting 1 million flowers to people dealing with grief, to neighbours in need, and seniors, spreading joy and love and kindness to people who could really use it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please pop them down in the comments and I'll answer as soon as I can. You all take care out there, and I'll see you in the next cooking or gardening video. Bye for now.